All right, Allie, we're here for a law update. Who are we talking to today?
Today we are talking to New Jersey.
Oh, nice.
Today we're talking about a law that actually already exists. So if you have 30 or more employees, you're probably familiar with the Family Leave Act. It's been in effect for you for years now.
Yep.
And there's been some changes. For those of you who have already been complying with this law, nothing too major. The act stays the same. The benefits you have to provide are the same. The main thing that's going to affect you is that employee eligibility is a little different. So it used to be that employees had to work for at least 12 months and a total of 1,000 hours worked in the year previous to the start of their leave. That is now just 3 months of employment and 250 hours worked.
Well, that's a big change.
That's a big change, yeah.
But when your legislators passed this and they put it in place, they tiered a bunch of these rules.
Yes.
So they're changing for you right now.
For those of you that the law has already been in effect, this will obviously be effective as of July 17th, so in just about a month. And for those of you who have 15 or more employees, you will now have to start complying. So this will be completely new for you because you haven't been offering this leave benefit. So by July 17th, you'll need to incorporate that into your handbook, and just be aware that if you have any leave requests that fall under this category,
Even if we haven't gotten to your handbook yet, you're now aware that you have to comply with this. And what are we going to do to help them with their handbook, Allie?
We are going to put the policy in your handbook for you. We're going to upload your handbook to the vault, and we will email you as soon as that's ready so that you can go in there, share it with your employees, and make sure that they're aware of the policy. And any managers, anyone in charge of leave requests is aware of the policy as well. 15 or more employees, that's July 17th for you. However, the amendments of this law do actually apply to those of you with 5 or more employees, but
But not yet.
Right, those dates are tiered. So come January, we'll be reaching out to those of you in the 10 to 14 range, and 5 to 9, you've got until January 1st of 2028. So about a year and a half, but again, for all of you, we will be contacting you with an updated policy when it's time for you to comply.
Okay, so the last thing is, remember, she said we'll put this in the vault for you. So you go into your Backstage HR software, you have your employees in there, hopefully you're using it, and if you have your employees in there, you can just redistribute the handbook and have them sign it. It takes like 5 seconds, and then everybody's got it. And you'll be able to see whether they've signed it or not. Is there anything else we need to tell them?
I would just say that you'll be getting an email. Those of you who are CEDR members will be getting an email from us with this video, and then a link to Backstage HR with this update. So it's kind of just written out for you. You can learn a little bit more about what the leave entails, and there's some helpful links in there for you as well, so you can see the state resources.
Yeah, a lot of times you don't have to go read after Allie and I tell you about something like this, but I think on this one you might want to just kind of go in there and peruse that, and definitely have your managers, anybody who's associated with HR, approving time off requests, that sort of thing, definitely please have them read through this and do the training on it. Anything else?
That's it.
We'll see you guys later. Thanks.